According to you, what do we Hindus need to do to sort of reclaim our own history, culture, and heritage?
I think the first step is education. We need to read Shastra. We need to read Hindu history. We need to study. That is the main point, that we are like very confused because there is a lot of propaganda, there is a lot of narratives, and many times Hindus don't know what to believe and they just follow the trend. So if the media and education system is pushing one trend, they will influence a lot. So we need to be aware of this propaganda and this education system that is basically doctrination, and try to find our own roots, our own scriptures, and read them, understand them. Because I know that many Hindus don't even read Veda, Purana, even many talk bad about. And this is not properly. We need to read Shastra before talk about, not take our opinion from a TV series. And because this is a huge problem in the pop culture. They try to appropriate the Hindu heritage and try to make. And even one thing that I would remind, like the Christians do in South India with Pongal, and they trying to secularize the festivals. That is the one way that we celebrate the Christmas in a pagan festival. Easter, like Easter also was a pagan festival. So it was also a way to enculturate and to capture that civilization and convert. So this is our strategies that they use in media and education system and the pop culture. And we need to be aware, and we can be aware only if we study. We need to read, and many authors now, like here in Festival of Bharat, I'm aware of a lot of great intellectuals that came to talk here, and I always watch. And other channels also are doing great seva and propagate this knowledge.
Please remember to subscribe to us and switch on the notifications for this channel. For our other social media links, more content, and to support our work, please visit citti.net. Dhanyavad. Namaskar.